Ka kertong lok Sabha Jong keseng NPP National Constituency kong Amprin Lengdo ne kasngi lapelong ilaang ba election MP kamlang kabasuk ban kmi bat amdan manu bala ban batai lupa ya kajing job jong no da ka bape ya kajing risa hadin bala tap vote da kikin hon san perthei ikang Amprin ilaang bawat Lada rem ne job an yo nong ka Sorkar ya kajing Jingialeh election lok Sabha ka jong i ha ka ba ila ya leng ba ki benta Jong ki lapin ridley constituency ki ba hapo Ilekshon constituency ha ka ba le yo jing tip ki ba paka halor ka e ba de ban le bat hai.
Either ways, win or lose, government will benefit from my candidature. I have been to every nook and corner of one Shillong parliamentary seat. I now know what government has to do. I have gone there in person. Fourth thing, if you say that Meghalaya has not progressed, then you are seriously joking. Because I have gone to 36 constituencies, minus mine, 35. The progress is very, very clear. We have better roads, we have better health facilities, the employment generation and opportunities across the 36 constituencies is very good. And I have seen that housing facilities for people has improved substantially.